Wow! Look at all these beautiful colors. I see red, orange, yellow, green, and there's blue, indigo, and violet. Would you like to sing the rainbow song with me? Yay!
Rainbow, rainbow, high and bright. Rainbow, rainbow, made of light. From the clouds down to the ground, I see colors all around. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet too. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet too. Rainbow, rainbow, high and bright. Rainbow, rainbow, made of light. From the clouds down to the ground, I see colors all around. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet too. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet too. A rainbow, a rainbow, a rainbow.
Hi, Mary. Hi, Eve. How's it going? Great.
Hello, friend. Hello, friend. It's nice to see you again. Can you come over today? After school and we can play. Build a town with my new blocks. Or paint while wearing smocks. We can run around outside. Climb a tree or take a ride. On a scooter or on a bike. We'll go anywhere you like. To the park, to the zoo. Yeah! You know what? There's so much we can do. Come on! Hello, friend. Let's walk home, hand in hand. My mom says it's okay if you come and stay the day. Maybe we can make a fort, play restaurant and supermart. I'll share all my toys with you, even all the stuff that's new. You wanna play a video game? Sure! I'll help you type in your name. I know how to wait my turn. We're gonna have so much fun! Come on, let's go! Come on! Let's go! Hello, friend. Our play date has come to an end. Let's pick up our toys off the floor. I'll walk you to the front door. Before you go, I want to say thanks for playing with me today. Next time I'll come to your place. I'll bring my cars. We'll have a race. Let's get together real soon. How about tomorrow afternoon? Goodbye, friend. Goodbye, friend. Goodbye till we meet again. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.
J-A-C-K. Jack. That's me. I am nimble, I am quick. Want to see my cool trick?
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. Jack be nimble, Jack be spry. Jack jump over the apple pie. Jack be nimble, Jack jump high. Jack fly up
I've lost my sheep.
Well, I'm a sheep, and I know just the thing. The sheep will come back if you sing.
Really?
I'm Little Bo Peep, I've lost my sheep, and I don't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them.
Sheep!
Little Bo Peep has found her sheep, and she knew where to find them. I left them alone and they came home, wagging their tails behind them.
Oh, coming sheep!
Bye-bye.
Where is baby? Peekaboo. Where is baby? Peekaboo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, toodaloo. Coochie coo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I see you.
Peekaboo?
Peekaboo.
Where is baby? Peekaboo. Where is baby? Peekaboo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I love you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I love you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, toodaloo. Coochie coo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I love you. Peekaboo.
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 Peekaboo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. Where is baby? Peekaboo. Where is baby? Peekaboo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I love you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I love you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, toodaloo. Coochie coo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I love you. Peekaboo!
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hooray! That makes me happy.
When I'm happy, I clap my hands.
When I'm happy, I stomp my feet.
And I shout, hooray! What do you do when you're happy?
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know it, smile. If you're happy and you know it, smile. If you're happy and you know it, if you're happy and you know it, if you're happy and you know it, smile. If you're happy and you know it, smile.
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha, ha ha! If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha, ha ha! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha, ha ha! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Hello? Anybody there?
Surprise, Eve!
Hi, Jack. Hi, Mary. Welcome home, Eep. Tell us about your trip.
Yeah, did you miss us?
Of course I miss my friends.
Aww.
But it's funny. even though I was far away in many different places, I always felt right at home.
Really?
Yeah, let me show you. I took lots of pictures and made drawings too.
Earth is our home, what a beautiful home. We love our beautiful home. Earth is our home and wherever we roam, we know Earth is our home.
Flowers grow tall, insects so small. We love our beautiful home. Songbirds that sing, fit for a king. We know Earth is our home. Ocean so blue, oh what a view. We love our beautiful home. Trees touch the sky, clouds float on by. We know Earth is our home.
Earth is our home, what a beautiful home. We love our beautiful home. Earth is our home and wherever we roam, we know Earth is our home.
Ice on the sea with a walrus or three. We love our beautiful home. Desert so dry, we'd stumble by. We know Earth is our home. Snow on the ground, hush not a sound. We love our beautiful home. River so wide with turtles inside. We know Earth is our home.
Earth is our home, what a beautiful home. We love our beautiful home. Earth is our home and wherever we roam, we know Earth is our home. We know Earth is our home.
Wow, Eve, your pictures are great! I feel like I was almost there.
Yeah, the Earth is so amazing. I want to visit every part of it.
Eep, was it scary to travel so far away from home?
You know, I thought it would be. And then I realized that no matter where you are, Earth is your home.
You know, that's a good point.
So remember, wherever you roam, Earth is always your home. Bye!
See you next time.
Safe travels!
We've already brushed our teeth, and we've already read a bedtime story.
Wait, we can't go to bed yet.
Why not, Mary?
I don't think I'm tired yet. I'm so excited you're sleeping over.
I have an idea.
More books? A pillow fight?
No. How about a bedtime song?
Ooh, I know the perfect one.
Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you.
Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo.
I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you.
Are you sleepy yet?
Let's sing it one more time.
Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo.
I love you. Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. I love
night, Teddy.
Good night, Mary.
And
good night to you, too.